I'm Qiandao Lisa. Welcome to our factory. Our company located in Zhuzhou, China. We operate a 4,000 square meter temperature controlled workshop and a 20,000 square meter production and testing base, specializing in the R&D and manufacturing of high-end CNC tool grinding machines. Our product portfolio includes 5-axis and 6-axis CNC tool grinders, precision CNC step grinders, CNC laser grinding machines, internal and external punch grinding machines, equipment for internal, cylindrical, and tool or mold grinding applications. You are welcome to call for consultations.